Hey guys, what's going on? Profit Products here, coming at you with another video. We got a thrift haul from 2 days and a unboxing video. We got about 5 packages, but we'll get right into the thrift haul from 2 days ago right now. Got a bunch of items, so many heaters. Fred Perry, let's go through it right quick. Chaps Fleece, the Wolf Sonnet, Mars Alpine by Carbon sweater. Not too sure about that, but it's pretty dope. We got a polo striped polo shirt. All this will be going up shortly on Profit Products. Just gotta take pictures of it all. A dope vintage 90s Nike spell out on the sleeve. Also got a sick barn style coat. Might possibly keep this, not too sure. Vintage, made in Canada. Fire. Best pickup from the last 2 days easily. This polo Ralph Lauren down parka jacket, huge. With the fur on the collar. All black, amazing, size medium. Also got these vintage Adidas. That tag, not too sure about it. Not sure if it's 90s or 80s. Great pants. All that is from yesterday. Cats are fighting right now. Also got this from yesterday. Hard Rock Cafe New York, but it has the leather embossed on it. Also a vintage, maybe not vintage, Champion Coach shell jacket. And then all this is from earlier today. Has some clips I'm going to show you right now.
Jet Blast Music.
Alright guys, we just got the Value Village, Bears Lake. We're gonna go hit it. It's busy. We'll see what they got. Let's go. Whoop. Hey guys, what's going on? So busy here, but this is what we got. Vintage Columbia jacket. Vintage Nike scarf. Polo jacket with the hood. Tommy jeans, vintage Guess jacket, Umbro, Adidas, Tommy, and some shorts.
Hey, can I get 2 spicy chicken wraps and a junior bacon cheeseburger, please?
Awesome. So as you saw, we got the Umbro England jersey, vintage Guess, the small embroidery right there, vintage Columbia jacket, ski jacket, tons of detail, amazing. Got 3 shorts today, Adidas, big logo, Nike, big check down the side, not bad. And also another big logo, Champion, on the side with the little logo. So dope. Also got a Adidas turtleneck in a nice cream / off-white colorway. And right before I left, I also found this dope ACG 2000s retro windbreaker. And I also got the Polo Ralph Lauren nice interior fleece coat. That was all from the thrift from just 2 days, so it's not bad. Next up, we got packages. This one's coming in from Ontario. Once, of course, all the shoutouts going up there. We got some dope Tommy Hilfiger pieces. Here we go. We got a nice Tommy Hilfiger, great color block, sailing jacket, stripage all over. That's amazing. That is a retro. From a couple years ago, I believe they released that. Up next, we have another vintage Tommy Hilfiger. Huge spell on the collar. Green with the spell out on the chest. Amazing green and yellow colorway. Sailing jacket. That's amazing. Thank you very much. Cute. And then we got two Guess by George Marciano heaters coming up. Number one is this vintage striped with the zip up hood right there. That's funky. Striped hoodie, size XL. That's amazing, great condition. Traded that for another Guess piece. Thank you very much. Also got this off Depop. It is the Guess. Okay. Another Guess, I believe. Yes. Guess. Striped, long sleeve, size XL. The embroidered Guess Jeans USA logo. Classic. Amazing, great condition. Thank you very much. And last but not least, we got the Tommy Hilfiger Grail. Maybe not Grail. Fire puffer jacket. There we go. Flag on the collar, all green, same colorway as the last one, with the all embroidered spell out and the flag on the side. Also is a puffer jacket. Amazing condition. That's awesome. Thank you very much. Ooh, so clean. Alright, that'll conclude for this video. Hope you enjoyed the thrift haul and the unboxing video. So let me know what you enjoyed more. We'll definitely get more thrift videos coming in and better quality. Sorry, it's my first time. Super busy there. Definitely nervous. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate it. Keep it all coming. All this will be posted on Instagram, Depop, all that. All in the description. See you later. Thank you very much for all the support. This has been Luke Profit for Product Products, and I'll see you later. Peace.